Hold on to your hats, tech enthusiasts, because Google just dropped the bombshell we've all been waiting for. The Google Pixel 8 series is here, and it's a game changer. Brace yourselves for the Pixel 8 Pro, a smartphone that's not just an upgrade, it's a technological marvel. First things first, let's talk about the Pixel 8 Pro's camera. It's a beast. If you're into jaw-dropping photos and crisp videos, this is your go-to gadget. With a 50-megapixel Octa-PT wide camera, a 48-megapixel Quad-PT ultra-wide camera with autofocus, and a 48-megapixel Quad-PT 5x telephoto lens, your Instagram game just went legendary. The improved apertures across all lenses mean brighter images, even in the darkest corners of your adventures. But that's not all, folks. The Pixel 8 Pro isn't just about power, it's about style too. Say hello to the new finishes. Bay, a light blue dream, and porcelain, a creamy masterpiece. It's like Google read our minds and gave us the colors we never knew we needed. Obsidian, the classic black, is still there for the bold. And hold on to your hot or cold drinks because the Pixel 8 Pro comes with a temperature sensor. Yes, you heard it right. Scan your beverages or surfaces to check their temperature. It's like having a superpower in your pocket. Now let's talk dollars and cents. If you're a savvy spender and want a stellar smartphone without breaking the bank, the Pixel 7 Pro is still a champion. At $200 less than its flashy successor, it's a steal. Sure, it may not have all the bells and whistles, but it's no slouch. And if you're not swayed by the Pixel universe, there are alternatives. Enter the iPhone 15 Plus and the Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus, both worthy contenders in the smartphone arena. In a world where tech dreams come true, the Google Pixel 8 Pro is the shining star. But hey, if you're not ready to take the plunge, the Pixel 7 Pro and its alternatives are standing by, ready to rock your world. The choice is yours, adventurer.